All right, so let's look at this question that we have. We are given two fractions, and in fact, we have algebraic fractions. We're subtracting algebraic fractions. Now, the thing about fractions, regardless whether it's algebraic or not, we need to find the LCM when we're subtracting or adding. Once we're subtracting and adding two fractions, we need to have the LCM so that the denominators can enter that quantity. And if you look at all these choices, we have 12xy. So definitely we know 12xy is our LCM. Remember, it's multiple choice, so you just need the fastest way to get to your answer. All right, and of course, 12 is the LCM of 4 and 6. This is the first number, if you're counting, that 4 and 6 can enter into. 6 2 is 12 and 4 3 is 12. So they definitely can enter into 12. All right, now what we're going to do, we're going to say, okay, 4 goes into 12 how many times? 4 goes into 12 how many times? In fact, we're seeing 4x can go into 12xy how many times? But let's deal with the number first, the coefficient, that is. 4 goes into 12 3 times. And if we take that 3 that we get and multiply by the numerator, 3 3 is 9. And right, so if you look at these other choices, right, you know that these most likely will be out. So it looks like A. But let's proceed though. So we're saying that, okay, let's write it down. 12xy divided by, let's go again, 12xy divided by 4x. And so the x will cancel x because these are all factors. This is saying 12 times x times y divided by 4x. So the x cancelled. 4 into 4 goes 1. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. So we're left with the factors. What factors we're left with? We are left with a factor of 3 and a factor of y. So this is factors multiply. So it's 3 times y give us 3y. So we got that answer, and we want to take that answer now, the 3y, and multiply by the corresponding numerator that we have here, which is 3. So 3 times 3y. And of course, that will give us 9y. Right, would we actually get 1 though? No. Well, let's look at it and see. All right, let's look at it and see. So what we want to do now is divide the LCM again, 12xy, that we have right here. So we're dividing this LCM here by this denominator now. All right, and so that will be 12xy divided by 6y. The y will cancel. That's one factor into the other. And 6 and 6 goes once, and 6 into 12 goes twice. And so we're left with the factors 2 and x, and 2x, 2 times x is 2x. So we're going to take that 2x and multiply by the corresponding numerator. So we divided what again? 12xy by 6y, and we got 2x. And that answer we get, we multiply by the corresponding numerator of 2. So it's going to be 2 times the 2x. Okay, and so as we can see here, we're clearly going to get what? 9y, which we have right here. 9y. And this is going to give us what? 4x, which we have right here. And of course, these are unlike terms. And so that will be our answer, 9y minus 4x. So this is basically trying to show you the fastest way that we can actually get through, because it's multiple choice.